What is pass statement? The pass statement after the class definition cannot be empty, and but we need some regions. There is a class statement, means class definition with no content. So if you declare as a pass statement to avoid the getting an error, okay. So means if you declare like this class, class name suppose employee colon here pass, okay. So this is the simplest way. If you not want to add some content inside that class, then you simply declare the class and pass it. So when it is going to be execution page, it can't create any error, okay. That's why if you are declare only class name or class definition, after that if you are given as a pass, then it is a smoothly execution and nothing but creating any error, okay. There is no error going to be created if you write simple in this way. Fine, understood? If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there, and please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.